Hello, welcome to Digital Study. Your true well wisher. My name is Jason Hawk. Today we will discuss the current affairs of 27th April. So before starting this, please subscribe my channel and allow all notifications so that you can easily access all my videos. So let's start. The first question of this day is, which state government has passed a resolution to reopen Tuticorin oxygen plant? The right answer of this question is Tamil Nadu. Sorry. Some issues related to this, that the CM of Tamil Nadu is Yadurappai Palaniswamy, the governor is Banwarilal Purohit, and the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Next question. Which country recently removed the export ban on raw materials for coronavirus vaccine in India? The right answer of this question is USA. Some issue related to it. The president of USA is Joe Biden and he is 46th president of USA. Next question. Which picture has been announced as the best picture of 93rd Academy Award or Oscar Award? The name of the picture is Nomadland. Nomadland is the right answer, which achieved the 93rd Oscar Award, the best picture. Some data related to Oscar Award. The best picture Nomadland, the best actor Anthony Hopkins, he was selected for the movie The Father. The best actress Frances McDormand, he was selected for the movie Nomadland, and the best director was Charlie Chow, he was also selected for Nomadland. Next question. Pandit Ranjan Mishra, who was recently passed away, was related to which field? He was related to classical singer. He was a classical singer belonging to Benares Gharana. He also awarded as Padma Bhushan Award and Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Next question. World's largest nuclear power plant is going to be held in which country? The right answer of this question is India. In India, the world's largest nuclear power plant is going to be established. Some data related to it. Its name is Jyotipur Power Plant. It is established at Maharashtra and it will create 10,000 megawatt electricity. The next question. AIF deploys two Mi-17V5 helicopter with Bambi bucket to douse forest fire in which state? The answer of this question is Mizoram. You know, there happened a forest fire in Mizoram. So here these two helicopters was deployed by AIF. Some data related to it. The destroyers fire in Mizoram, destroying the forest and reaches towns and villages of Lungei and Luangtai. Next question. Who is the author of the book Living Mountain, a Fable for Our Times? The answer of this question is Amitabh Ghosh. Next question. What is the name of the rover of China's first Mars mission? The name of the rover is Zhurong. Zhurong is the right answer. It is the name of the rover. Some data related to China. The capital of China is Beijing. The president of China is Xi Jinping. The currency of China is renminbi. So that's all for today. Please like my channel and share the video.